Today's project, we have a 1998 Harley Davidson. The customer's complaint is the digital screen is essentially broken. The LCD has become broken on the inside, and it has just leaked ink all over on the inside of there, so you can't tell how many miles are on the bike. We'll be tearing that speedometer off of there, and then once I get into that speedometer, I'll be seeing if I can just replace that crystal itself, and we'll go from there. I was able to get the speedometer removed. We're going to take it back over to the shop, open it up, and see what we can come up with. Alright, I was able to get the LCD display out of the speedometer. Everything else looks fine from what I can tell. Doesn't appear that there's anything wrong with the speedometer itself. I should be able to locate a new crystal pretty easily and get that put in there as soon as possible, and we should be able to get this bike up and running within just a few days. So the customer didn't want to wait for the amount of time it would take to have a new crystal manufactured, so he decided to just purchase a gauge. You can tell that it's in kilometers per hour. He got it from Canada. This one's got some slight bleeding around the edge, but it should be a lot better, and it should actually work. So we're going to disassemble this gauge, move the LCD display crystal over to this this gauge, and then see what we can do with it. I'm just documenting the amount of ink that's leaking out of the replacement LCD. You can see it's completely around the edge of the left here. Seems like the display still works. As I was removing it from its housing, it was showing me a display over here, so I think that's what we're mainly worried about. We'll go ahead and continue the reassembly and see if we can get some functionality. all back together. Let's go put it on the Harley. Okay, we've got the gauge plug put back together. Got everything plugged back in, battery terminal connected. And we have a display. We have display lights. Seems like we have full functionality. I would say that that is a successful repair.